Explain what they're doing.
Well, here's an interesting scenario. A truck full of sticks needs to turn down a small side road. Oh. Oh, it's like thatched roof material. And it needs to turn down a street, but unfortunately there's electrical wires on top of the street. So apparently they're figuring out how to move the electrical wire. Oh, that was the driver himself. He got out, pushed the wire out of the way, drive the truck under.
That would have been dangerous for us.
He's brilliant. And off he goes to have to deal with that again. And here goes a bunch of balloons walking down the street. Carried by a man in a hat.
That's so funny.
And if that's not enough for you, you can always go and get a body massage. Or go to the beauty salon.
Did you show the Philippine flag out there? There's a Philippine flag.
Can't really see it from here. Next to the tourist information, sweeping with a crazy Asian broom.
They've been cleaning the window for like hours. Actually done it.
Yeah, they cleaned the window for half an hour this morning. 2 people. And the tourist police are there watching out to make sure that nothing happens to anybody. And you can get your laundry done. And then get another massage. And go to the other barber shop. Or you can go 2 doors down to the other massage or the other barber shop.
The other side is actually
or the other massage place. And so massage is big in the Philippines.
No, honey.
No,
all the way down there is a Filipino hangout, like karaoke and all that stuff.
Right, but I can't see it from here. So pretty cool little spot. You can rent a bike too over there for about $10 a day.
We rented the white one this day. Meow.
Meow. Bye for